Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. It is a new day, folks, and today we are going to the mother-in-law's for breakfast. It is early, well, not too early, I guess. Is that the right time? 10:30. Yeah, we're going for like what do you call that? Like brunch, I guess you would call it. And then I got to freaking sun, man. See that sun early in the morning. You get out, that sun just glares quite a bit. But then I gotta build an exercise bike for the mother-in-law. Plus I gotta do one at home for the wife. But I gotta get some screws at the mother-in-law's for the one at home that I picked up for nothing. I figured when I got it, I figured it'd be good because the wife, just after having the baby, and give her something to use to exercise because she loves to exercise, so I figured that'd be perfect for her. So anyways, you know I can't start my day without my coffee. So we are on our way right now over to get our coffee. We're going to the mother-in-law's, so we're going to get our coffee over that way too, and then we'll go to her house because we got to get one for her, and we're not going to get it and have it cold by the time we get there. So let's head there, and then we'll put that bike together. Alright folks, so we are back and made it to Tim Hortons. Is this car looking to go backwards or looking at the back? Oh, alright. I don't know what he was doing. Anyways, we are at Tim Hortons now. We are grabbing our coffee like we always do. Is that like a new $10 bill, or I never ever noticed it?
They're not that new.
No?
No. Years, maybe.
Who the hell is she? Don't know. Look at the red carpet. Anyways, folks, let's grab a coffee and we'll head to the mother's. Alright, folks, so here you can see what I'm going to put together. It's this here thing here. This is the H22X. It's a treadmill machine. Basically sit on a pedal. It's kind of fancy. It's for the mother-in-law. So we're going to set that up. So let's get her done. Alright, folks, so we got everything out here. It's all out and ready to be put together. We got all our nuts and screws. All that there comes with a kit to put it together. Directions are in the back here. So it's got a backrest, it's got a seat. Excuse me. So let's put this together. Alright folks, we just about got this done. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. I'm just going to finish her off here, and then we'll be all done this year, thank God. This year was hard. It tells you the instructions, but go figure that, like anything, the right washers and stuff aren't there. Like, you know, it'll say use this washer for this here, and then you get to another part and it says use the same washer. Well, you don't got no more left. So anyways, I'm getting it. It's coming together. It's quite a bit of work, but I'm getting it. Just got to put on the screen here now, and the screen is, let's show you here, right here. The screen is right here in this box. Pull this out. Try to anyways. There we go. Sorry about the trying to do this with one hand, folks, and there we go. There's the screen. There's the screen there. So we're gonna throw that in. That there looks like it's got the 2 screws on the back there. You just unscrew those there, and then it'll plant right there. And you see this here, folks? You can plug in a music device to it too. Right? It's got the headphone jack, I guess. I believe so. Anyways, that's what it looks like. This takes a couple batteries. So, anyways, let's finish this off, and then we'll take a look at her again. Alright folks, we are all done. It is all set up. I thought that was for a phone, but it actually plugs into the back of there. See, I was thinking it was for a phone, right? Like, oop, look at it. It plugs right into the back here. Oh well, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyways, it's all set up. Looks good. So that there is the, what do they call that? The Health Rider X22X, or H22X, sorry. Oh, there you go. That's setting that up, and it looks good. Can we test her out here? Let's test her out. Let's get on her here and test her out. See how it works. I gotta get my feet in there. Get my feet in there. Okay, you can see. I don't know what we got going on there on the screen. I don't know. I don't even know how to use this thing, folks. I don't know. It's not very tight, so let's figure it out. How do we do? There we go. That makes her a little tighter. Get that workout, eh? Okay, so let's crank that back down to easy, and she can adjust it herself. I just had to make sure that it was there, perfect. All right, pick up the tools. There we have it, folks. That's all done. Now I'm gonna go home, and I gotta set up one at home that we have. It's not as fancy as this here one, but well, it's not even an exercise bike, the one we got. It's more of a, I don't know what you call it. You'll see. Anyways, let's go. All right, folks. So I got it set up here. Basically, this is all it does. It just, you know, a little exercise for her, right? You put your feet on there, and you just hope I don't. It's probably this here making the noise. Yeah, definitely. Some wrapping paper. Kind of, you know, it works. It'll do the trick. I don't think it's meant for fat guys. I checked myself on the scale the other day, 205 pounds. I'm getting a little too big, so maybe I should start using this too. I don't know, we'll see. But we got it set up for us, so it's good to go. Should take the hacksaw I got and trim that off, so that nut ain't that big. Got that there, sitting there pretty good. Oh, it's working anyways. Ain't gonna come out, that's the main thing. It's a little wobbly, but whatever. I only needed one bolt, so I got a couple extra bolts here. Oop. We'll keep those here. I gotta clean up this room too. It's kind of a mess. Let's show you here. Let's take a look here. As you can see, Christmas gifts. Well, my stuff, but got some coat hangers and stuff, and wrapping paper, and can't forget Scarface. My beer fridge. But yeah, it's kind of a mess down here, so I gotta get her straightened away. But anyways, that's that. We got the bike fixed for the wife, got the one done for the mother-in-law. We are all done with that. I appreciate and thank you for watching another one of my videos. Destination out.